First, double-click the picture layer. Check Template. Enter 50% for its opacity and click OK. Choose black for the paintbrush stroke color. Double-click the paintbrush tool options and reduce its fidelity like this. Now start drawing the line. In this example, our main focus is the bird's beak, nose, and sharp eye. Don't worry if you don't like the current line. You can start over until you have your best outcome. When you like the line, hide it. Create a new layer for the second one line. Again with the paintbrush tool, start drawing the second one line. Be as minimalistic as possible with your drawing. We want to focus on the bird's beak, nose, and eye. Make this second line a little bit different from the first one. Adjust the position and dimension of your lines. Again with the paintbrush tool, we are going to add a little bit of color to it. Don't overdo it, just a simple color will do the job. This one is cool, but I just want to add a simple plant to it. So again with the paintbrush tool, I am drawing a simple one line plant. I like to place it on top. Now I select the artboard and make a copy of it. I will add the gradient color to the second one. I select the rectangle tool and set my gradient colors like this. That's it, a minimalistic one-line art poster. Thanks for watching.